Happy New Year to you all. We want to thank you for sticking around with us in 2020 and for deciding to join us in 2021. Today on Western Roundup, we are in St. James and we visit Salt Spring where students received digital devices to boost online learning. Then we head to Fairview where PICA opened its new office and much more. Stay with us, we'll be right back. 16 children living in Salt Spring, St. James are expressing gratitude for gifts of laptops and computers received to help boost their online learning when school resumes in January.
I got a Samsung laptop. I realized that I've been having a lot of troubles as it relates to doing my SBAs as I am in 11th grade and I am preparing for my CSEC examination.
I received that tablet and I think that this tablet, I really appreciate it because I was having challenges during my schoolwork because I had to use my grandmother's phone and sometimes she would want it or sometimes she has to go somewhere and carry it. So sometimes I can't complete my work and I don't want my grades to fall because I want to pass to a good school and I want to be successful in life.
The students received the gifts under the No Student Left Behind electronics campaign organized by the Salt Spring Community Outreach Program for Empowerment, SCOPE.
This No Student Left Behind initiative was born out of the fact that, COVID came and then a lot of children were getting left behind because they did not have devices. Our original plan was for a breakfast feeding program, but of course nobody is going out. So we kind of switched the agenda and started working towards the No Student Left Behind initiative.
SCOPE is a community capacity building initiative led by an international group of Salt Spring citizens aimed at improving community resiliency and empowering children, youth and families to achieve excellence. Still in St. James, staff and customers accessing the Montego Bay office of the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA will now be able to do so in comfort and style. PICA opened its new and upgraded office, now located at the Annex Plaza in Fairview, Montego Bay. Speaking at the opening ceremony, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Jang hailed PICA as the linchpin in a number of critical areas of operation in the country.
This is quite a big move, so I want to, in fact, commend the move and welcome the team and this department of PICA into Fairview, where we will provide extensive all the services that PICA administers in the country. This one to recognize that we are conducting this ceremony in the middle of the pandemic. And again, we have to give PICA commendation for moving forward and getting this office open. Where we are located as well is kind of ideal for both shipping and almost every aircraft that goes to South America and North America passes over Jamaica. If we are to benefit from a lot of this activity, it is to ensure that we have an effective passport immigration system agency.
The new upgraded office now boasts advanced state-of-the-art technology and customer-centric processes to deliver quality services and a high standard of professionalism to residents across Western Jamaica. Finally, some 45 additional Justices of the Peace, JPs, have been added to the cadre of JPs serving the parish of St. James, a move Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck is pleased with.
I want to thank the 40-odd persons who have been commissioned this afternoon for volunteering to be of service to your community and to your parish and to Jamaica. I'm very happy that persons are coming forward to be a part of a noble vocation, and not only a noble vocation, but being volunteers, offering service to their fellow men.
The new JPs have been encouraged to promote good governance, good citizenship, and be positive role models.
At the forefront of your responsibilities I implore you to continue to be the men and women who will be actively needed as role models with standards of dignity as you seek to improve good conduct and ethical principles in your community.
We hope you enjoy the program. Send us your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm and let us know. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Until next time, take care.